You can't tell that we're on a cliff though. Oh my god, it's even worse. Holy shit. Heading up to the waterfalls now. That was a hike. Woo! Just heading up the waterfalls now. I don't know if I'm gonna ever talk to you guys again. Okay, so I made it over the waterfall. I now I have to get in that hole right there where this guy's coming. And then the goal is to get all the way up here. So that shouldn't be too bad. Just getting in this hole is a little claustrophobic, but we got this. Goodbye, everybody. We're on the other side of the waterfall now. That was pretty awesome. We're pretty excited about it. Now we're just gonna dive in.